Greetings, YouTube. Today I'll be talking about something I found at a thrift store. And this is some form of multi-tool. And it's called Avcom Solutions Incorporated, which makes me think that it was a piece of swag at some kind of convention. It says Jabra, and I'm not sure if this is supposed to be the name of the object or not. It's designed to be carried either as a lanyard or clipped onto a pocket or into a, though I would say pocket, because that clip does not open up very much. It barely opens, but you could clip that onto a pocket, a shirt pocket, so that it would not fall out or something like that. But I would not want to try to get that onto a belt, because it would be very difficult to even get it onto a dress belt, let alone a belt that actually holds up pants. It's got a compass in it, and the compass kind of works. It sort of points in the right direction. I mean, I know that that's north and that's south, but I'm not sure how much of a divergence there is from actual magnetic north or not. But my city is laid out roughly. I mean, where I am at the moment, I'm roughly facing, that is north where my pinky's going, and that's south. I know that. Because I am on the south side of the city. But I wouldn't necessarily want to let my life depend on it, but I guess if you find yourself in a real pinch, at least you might be able to figure out which direction you were walking in until you hit a road at least, and then hopefully you'd be okay. It comes with a flashlight, though it isn't particularly bright. It comes with a headphone jack, and it has a volume feature because this has a built-in radio. At least I think it's a radio. Let me describe to you why I think it's a radio. So it's got no external speaker, so we're gonna plug in a jack. And these are white ones. These are from an Apple device, which I have to comment about the fact that I really appreciate the quality on Apple headphones. I own two different pairs or two different generations, and both are excellent sound. Their lettering is so poor, I actually had to mark these with fingernail polish so I could tell one from the other, because my contrast vision is so poor. I had a difficult time reading the little letter, the little L and R on the white, on the gray on white text they chose. Very poor. So you turn this on. I don't know if you can hear that, but it actually is producing sound. If you put them in your ears, it is quite effective. You can hear the static quite clearly. And I say hear the static quite clearly because I think this is the tuning button, because it's got the diamond and the bar, which really usually means advanced. You advance forward. Except I can't get anything to come in on this item. I cannot get this thing to tune anything other than static. So I don't know what it's supposed to be tuned to. Is it supposed to be part of a network of dedicated signal? So maybe it's supposed to work within a building or a company or something? I'm not 100% sure on that. But there's no way to tune this thing that I can find on it, and other than that button right there. Nothing on this turns. The dial does not, I mean, this is just a static, this white thing is just doesn't do anything. Just the white compass, so like turning the compass doesn't do anything. And I can't figure out what it was supposed to be doing. I mean, it's a flashlight, it's a compass. And I think I paid $1 for this. I just wanted to see if it worked. And technically it works. I will be donating this again because I got no use for it. And I'll be putting these back on my desk because they're the headphones I use when I'm listening to my computer, so I don't make too much noise for my wife. Because frequently we live completely different schedules. And I'm often up at night when she's asleep. And vice versa. She's up while I'm asleep, so we're kind to each other. So I don't know what this multi-tool is supposed to be. To me, it just smacks of swag. Something that you gave away at a convention. If anybody knows what this means, if you are familiar with this company or this brand name, or you know if this was supposed to have been a dedicated item for a specific purpose, I would love to know.